Good evening, neighbors. Okay, Mike and I hung out here all day. Mike was just laughing about the fact that he didn't even start his van all day. And we've been watching that storm to the north of us. You see all that dark, gnarly looking skies? That's storms. There's no mountains out there. It's just all dark storms. So it's been here all day, basically. Oh, pardon me. We're getting ready to move on down the boulevard tomorrow. Pretty green in this view. So, you know, for a place to hang out, it's been pretty good. I got a few things done in the van. Mainly threw out a bunch of stuff that I really didn't need. You know, put new sheets on the bed. Wait, it never fails. Every single time that I do this, it's like chipmunks and other things. Kids. Shy kids. You turn the camera on and they stop doing what they're supposed to be doing. There was a lot of lightning out there. That's what reminded me, because when I look out my front windows, I'm parked, and that's what my view is you know, all of that. So it caught my attention, and dang it, fire the camera up, no lightning. Typical. Alright, I guess that's enough for this video. I'll go ahead and let you know where we end up probably tomorrow. Later.